Hey everyone, so in today's video I will show you how to reconcile two payments to a one invoice in Xero. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Xero.com. Once you are logged in with your credentials, you will land to the Xero dashboard. Now here, click on the reconcile button at the center of your screen and you will see this kind of interface. Now here on the payment line, click the find and match button right here and this will open a list of past transactions. Now choose the two payments you want to apply. Xero will automatically check if their match an outstanding invoice. Make sure the two matches the invoice exactly. If it is correct, click on the reconcile button. And that's it, you have now matched two payments to a single invoice. Keep your records accurate and stay organized with smart reconciliation and Xero. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.